What's up, guys? Today we're going to Chins Lake. I've been wanting to do that trip since basically I moved out here. One of my buddies showed me Chins Lake and some cool photos of it. And today it's gonna be raining, wet. Left my wife at home, left the boys at home. I'm just going out with Brandon and Luke back behind me, and Luke has his girlfriend and his dogs, and Brandon didn't bring his girlfriend or his dog. So I'm sorry to Luke's girlfriend that we didn't bring any girls. It'll still be fun. Yeah, we're getting a little bit of a drive to get up there, and we're going to see if we can't find a spot. And it's supposed to be about 60, 70 degrees in that area and rainy the whole time, and then dip down into the 40s at night. So pretty excited to see this place for the first time. So hang tight. Let's go. All right, this is looking very familiar. The last time we were up in this general area, we were at Devil's Canyon, and it was also raining. So it's starting to pick up now. Maybe we just don't come camping here. I don't know. Seems to be bad luck for rain. Even though we knew it was gonna rain, it's just the same area twice. And the only rain that I've had this summer while I'm camping. But we're prepared, I think. We're probably a few minutes away here, and go get camp set up and crack open and go fishing. I'm ready. Gonna try out some fly fishing today with Brandon. I don't know if there's any fish up at the Chins Lake area, so we'll find out. I gotta kill this radio. It's really annoying. But yeah, almost to camp. Hang tight. Minimizing our range. I know, but you had plenty of space. That was easy. What were you worried about? I think you're on like just a little piece of dirt. He's like, oh my God, it's a dirt pile. Yes, you're fine. I think. Go driver a little bit. Actually, your mirror's clear on this side. Ah. You had like 2 inches. That's a Lexus. Doesn't it have auto folding mirrors? All right, so I have literally no idea if we're on the right trail or not to go to Chins Lake, because I'm pretty sure everybody told me You can make it in a car. You can take my wife's car up here on a little day trip or something. Brandon, this ain't this ain't a car day trip trail. It's actually a little bit rough. Ooh, look at that alley cab just got its first scratches. Ooh. But yeah, we're just mushing right along, you know, just trying her out, seeing what happens. And I got something squeaking. I think I got a rock or something inside of my brake pad and rotor, but I'm buying a new rotor. I return them at work. So yeah, this is our hard way to get to Chins Lake, I guess. This would be a bad time if there was a rock slide. Just gonna go past that one real quick.
Pretty cool. It feels like we're in the Pacific Northwest or something.
That would have sucked. Those are huge. I mean, not to say that these aren't huge.
It's like funny, every time I've been wheeling out here, it's been raining.
Brandon, I'm trying to vlog here.
Hi, Pat's viewers. This is GX Rome. Follow my channel for cooler content.
Yeah, then you can hear him talk like this all the time. That's how he talks in all of his YouTube videos. But yeah, this is a really cool trail. We got off the hard part. It was just a little fun. I wouldn't call it hard part, but like compared to this, which most Subarus could probably do, it was a little fun part of the trail. Not in a hurry to get up there, so it's only just about 1 o'clock, so it's almost lunchtime. Not enough to care. Go. Oh, that's super zoomed in. All right, we have found the lake. It's hidden back there in all the trees. Now we just gotta find a camping site. I think people probably hike in or whatnot, but there's a couple. I think there's a couple lakes, so we'll figure it out.
For like one vehicle.
Okay, well we're going past the first lake. Getting to the clearing. Oh dang, there's some snow left up there, and it is tomorrow is August, so that's kind of cool. Oh, that's dope. Well, we made it up to Chins Lake, and as soon as we got out of the car, it started pouring. This is what we wanted.
We're gonna see if I have a wet mattress in the alu cab tonight. Brett, turn the camera.
Just look at it. It says it right. Oh yeah.
It's my budget rooftop tent.
Yeah, budget of you could have bought a car for the same price. Not a nice car, but a car.
No, you could have bought an XJ.
Oh yeah, you could have bought an extra. Well, we're hoping it gets cleared up here so we can. Sorry, dude. So we can actually set up some shit. I mean, we got that, but Brandon went to go find a spot and he ruined his. It sounded like he ruined his boards.
No, he did.
They're broke. Did.
You can see them.
If they're not broken, I'd be impressed.
Laid in bed, and so like it was just like it wasn't even fun sometimes. Like so I started bringing my friends out and showing them like where to actually like I'm like here, cast here if you want to catch the biggest crappie of your whole life. What's happening here, guys?
Comment if he's doing this wrong.
Yeah. Oh. There it is.
What'd that tongue do?
And then you gotta take your little.
All right.
Now you carry this all the way over there.
Finally stopped raining. Brandon's gonna try his first day fly fishing
It's not
ever.
First day. It's like the 17th.
First day. He's never done it.
The biggest trout I've caught is this big.
That's like all the bigger they get. I feel like I've never seen anybody catch a really
it
big
was
one.
like definitely a baby or something.
We got the soaking wet puppies, Clutch, and Boba,
What's up?
and Luke.
Do you know my name?
You know, I actually think you told me your name.
It's
Maybe
Woman.
once. Woman.
I should have told him my name. I'm the only woman.
I know.
Brittany.
Brittany.
Brittany, bitch.
Yeah,
It's Brittany, bitch. I'll remember it now. And we got our tarp city going. We got that one, that awning, my awning, and
It's only okay because it's outside Denver.
yeah, if we just have the best setup for homeless camping. We're choosing to be homeless.
It's a very expensive form of.
She even has the wool blanket. Brandon's gonna get his fly fishing on. Oh, dead. All right. All the way out there. Hang on, Brandon. Good God. Right? I don't even think you got your bait all the way out there yet. it's still right there. Oh, this is great. You need less string out, I think. But you're not gonna get anything. There's nothing in the water right here.
But it's just practice. For
It's practice. It is. There's no trees, just me. I'm gonna move out of the way.
Yeah, I thought. He's right there.
Right where that big one's at?
Yeah. You see him? His little head's just sticking right up. Can you zoom in?
I'm at 10 times zoom.
You see it? Okay, I'm gonna see him.
Oh yeah, I see him. There he is. He's just chilling on top of it.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna approach
There's a
from
trout.
over there.
There's a trout right there. I'm gonna try and catch that little sucker. I think you should just cast out from right here.
Okay, here, watch it. Here, you're like on the side where I'm gonna be whipping.
I know, I'm coming way over here. Is he gone?
He's still there.
Yep. Okay. Whew. There's a flash flood warning, but us being so high, I don't think that the flood's necessarily going to happen right here. The top is right there. There's a bunch of water that's still coming out of the mountain over there. I kind of want to just feel how cold it is. Oh, whew. Yeah, this is one of the lakes up by Chins Lake. God, couldn't remember where we were at for a minute, but this is one of the lakes up by Chins Lake, and then there's another one where we're camping just on the other side of that little dam there. I don't know how well this is gonna go. Woo-hoo. Just gotta get to the rocks. Okay, we're good. We're good. And we're over. All right. This is super dope. I've never been to a place like this before. I'm pretty impressed. So glad that I decided on this rainy weekend to come out here. It's not raining right now, but I didn't video for a little while. We were just sitting under the canopies and everything, just hunkered down for a little bit. Now we're just exploring a little bit.
Oh, sorry.
No rain. Got the lap doji. Look at He's so much happier now.
So, I don't think this works.
I don't think it does.
Cooking 101 with Luke.
I don't know how lighters work.
There you go. Freaking
Fire.
genius.
Dude, that shit's way too hot. Oh,
Way lower.
This is
Right there,
how teenagers cook. What? I'm just kidding.
Because Lynn made these beautiful chicken patties the other day.
Good job, Lynn. Brandon's about to ruin them.
Is it vegan patties?
No, like chicken. Paul needs to create her profile, so.
Created her profile?
Yeah. She's like, I don't even.
Alright guys, time to pack in for the night. So I'm trying something a little different with this rooftop tent style. So I flipped the mattress over, give me a smidge more padding. Nobody's gonna complain about. I brought my buddy heater up here tonight, and I have my fan so it can blow the heat around so it doesn't get too hot right up there. Excuse me, right up here. I got shoes over there sitting on the shoe bag just so I didn't track in anything. And then so I flipped this over. Normally you're just sleeping on the one pad, but tonight it's gonna be a little different. I'm gonna be sleeping on the two pads. Gotta just unravel my sleeping bag. And so I used to sleep lengthways in my old tent, and the old tent was maybe a hair shorter. So I'm gonna rock this tonight and see how it goes. I'm pretty curious to see how comfortable it is, especially with me doing all the winter camping that I do. And then just rock it like that all winter. Maverick's probably gonna be the only one. Max hates the winter. He can't stand being outside in the cold. But hopefully, as far as everything goes for this setup tonight, it works out, and I can bring Maverick up here and be a lot more comfortable. So yeah, I'm gonna set up my bed. Gotta get my sleeping bag out and ready. Alright, it's the morning time. I'm airing out my tires, so sorry for the extra noise. We did a little harder section up to here, but right now we got some hail coming down. Yeah, Ray just chilling under the tarp city over here. Slept pretty good in the rooftop tent last night. That one, not that one. I folded over the mattresses and made a double. It was freaking cozy. Every time Joe doesn't come with me, that's what's happening, because I have way too much space by myself. So it's definitely a win. I slept great. But I'm gonna go over there and make sure that we're getting all of our stuff taken care of and breakfast cooked, and I don't overinflate my tires or anything. So
Sleeping in the rain.
cooking with Luke.
Not how you're supposed to cook potatoes at a campsite.
I like
The sun's trying to peek behind the clouds for once. I know it's gonna make for a really good video, isn't it? Well, it's okay. It's all the way up there.
You got summer potatoes. Some are big, some are small.
Some are big, some are small.
He just wants it on video.
Oh,
I love
yeah.
the out. Thank y'all.
Yahtzee.
Here's zoom in on my camera.
You see them?
Yeah.
Oh, there they are.
Now I think we have the whole freaking area to ourselves.
The whole fluffin'.
The whole freaking.
Fluffin' freaking. Freak fluff.
That's just. Come on. Yeah, those guys over there were. Where the heck did they go? There they are. That couple was literally arguing all night. How'd you guys sleep?
Fucking fantastic.
You can't say effing, damn it!
Freaking fantastic.
We'll bleep it out.
Alright, fine.
It's like the first video I haven't dropped an F-bomb, and Brandon and you both did it.
Have it, dude.
Oh, I know. It's okay.
Getting,
He's a technician. It's okay. I forgive him. I understand.
That's not your videos.
It's not. Oh, he's scratching his little ear.
That stance.
That's the. Oh yeah, it was so zoomed in on that Brandon.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, you got it wet now on the inside.
It's okay, because it has to get dried out anyway.
How was the first night up there?
It was luxurious.
Everything you ever wanted?
Precisely. Fit all the junk in there. Hey, stop.
I still got to get my awning put away and then the table, and I'm all set. Oh yeah, and those.
How dirty you are.
Oh, look at that. He's just the happiest pup. Well, I think we're gonna go take some pictures of the cars and go home.
Look at you.
Gotta get all the gram pictures, right, Brandon?
Yep.
Get the shot. I gotta get out of it. Parkour. Oh, I should have put my wheels straight. It's okay. No. Ah, super dirty. The Forest Service is back there in their Jeep. Dun dun dun. Tell me how Forest Service has a nicer roof rack than I do. He's got the Gobi rack on there. A little jealous. Looks like he's going down into our old campsite, maybe, or past it. Now we're headed all the way down. This part of the trail would have been way better to do that. Let people pass, because it's literally just a big ass Y, but you know, what are you gonna do? And it looks like the sun's starting to come out. Ooh, it's all nice outside. Even though it's only 43 degrees. Ignore all the lights. I still have a wheel speed sensor out that I have not replaced yet. I just get tired after work and I don't want to do it, so until then it'll just be off. Brandon's trying to talk to me again, so I gotta talk to him. Hi, Brandon. Hi, bud. Hey, Brandon. Oh, it's GX, bro. Adrian's doing good. I'm gonna take off. I got a little longer drive than you guys do. Bye. Good to see you again. Bye, puppies. Bye. See you guys next time. Goodbye. All right, guys. That's gonna do it for this one. Until next time, if you wanna throw a like on this video if you like that we did this weekend. If you guys want to see more content like that, we do it every weekend. So just subscribe to the channel, and Brandon will be out with us on all the trails, and I get a little bit different perspective than he does. So yeah, throw a like on it, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Later.